Nice.
Buddy.
We're gonna have to go in the mystery machine here. We are inside the mystery machine here. The shaggin' wagon. And wow, it's nasty. But it's all still here.
Yeah, it's all kept pretty well.
Even got a mirror.
Hey.
Check out the front.
You chill here, have a cup of joe.
Oh yeah.
I mean, think about it. He's got a TV right here.
Got everything.
Radios.
So this was a brick plant here. And they made bricks for like stoves.
Furnaces.
Furnaces.
You know.
Let's check them out. Oh wow. Like crumbling. Oh yo. We got some cars. Some ditched cars, yeah.
We're gonna be heading this way.
As long as people aren't here, that put the
Where was Social at?
He was down that way to the right, I think. Inside. Ooh.
Dang. Oh, here's the main building up here.
Big time. Lock in, lock out.
Safety first, pal. Safety first.
Say hello, Toledo. Alright, got a nice view. Look at that.
Oh my, and it's not broken on the top. Toledo.
Look, it probably got calibrated.
1999?
Yeah, 98.
98.
There has to be a truck. Thing there where they drive on somewhere.
Yeah, like a truck.
Yeah.
Now that's a good one.
What's fine? What's fine? What's fine?
Oh,
clues.
Classic.
The height.
You can tell. Look at all the mouthpieces are all the same on them too.
Crush.
All pull tops. They got rid of them because they were all laying all over the streets.
My new thing is, when you don't know nothing about nothing, is to find clues. Like my new thing, Seeker. That's the thing.
Wow. This is some good decay here.
See the paint chipping away.
Oh, yo, Flesh is up there, I think.
Wait, who? Is Social up there?
Oh, no, Social is up there, yeah.
Oh, there he is.
They both are. Oh, yeah, we're going up there. What's up there?
It's scary, but yeah, you're just saying your name.
It'll take
like
forever.
this way.
We'd like to get ahead, man.
You could go all the way up here.
Oh,
It's pretty
man.
cool, man.
Whoa.
It's solid too.
Yeah, it's solid. I just came from down up there.
Hey, this is
Oh. Now that's sketchy. Holy. Oh. That is so cool. Oh, wow. Oh, man. There's not much up here. But wow, we're high. This place is getting blown apart by the wind.
It ain't that way, that's for sure. Dude, that's a cool pickup. Oh, that ladder that goes up there.
Look at him.
Trucks here or something, man.
Rob, we can bring one jump in.
There's a couple.
Oh, bullfrogs? Yeah, look at them. Wow, that's a big one, dude.
Maybe they're stuck in there. How do you
Around
get
here,
out?
that's big.
Check out the Firetruck, Clark.
Yeah, we gotta check it out. Let's go.
Yeah, we got it. It's right here.
This must be an old retired one that they just dumped here. Or maybe someone bought it and dumped it.
Damn, man.
It's an old ladder truck. Missing the wheel. Let's climb inside of it. I've never sat in a fire truck before.
How's it feel? Spacious?
Oh, this is sweet.
Imagine driving that around, man.
Here are the controls. See, people took a lot of the cages and stuff. Only use emergency shutdown in an emergency.
Oh, I never would have guessed that part.
Oh, they were.
Want to get a shot of you on the fire ladder?
Sure.
Probably could. It'd be a really cool album cover.
We got some more big toys here. A 275B-C. Wow, that's massive. This is a over 6 feet tall, this wheel.
Just to start off like this, I'm Storm. Midwest Flush.
Seeker. Social Wreck.
We all are part of the Steel City Storm channel. That's what makes it Storm.
boys.
We also have our own channel. They have their own channels too. And I would want you guys to go look because they don't do the same thing I do. They've been to different places, this and that. And they have different perspectives on things. So make sure you go hit the
Social Wrecks, Urbex.
and you get that Facebook thing too.
And Facebook, the Steel City Storm. Check us out there. Any comments, suggestions, hit us up.
Seeker is just now getting
Seeker.
started up. He's just getting his gear.
Yeah.
So we're getting him started up. So we want to give him a
He
good
knows
push.
everything
Oh,
in
yeah.
Chicago.
This is an awesome guy, man. This is my
Takes us
guy,
where we
man.
wanna go.
This is all of our guy. We love this guy.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you support him. Of course, Steel City Storm channel and
Midwest Flush, Urbex.
don't forget Lord Explorer. What about Lord Explorers?
Yeah, holler out.
Lord Explorers. Lord Explorers.
Oh man, there's more to the complex. Oh, I want to climb up there. I want to climb up there.
How's it hanging? Oil. This one goes. Oh man, look at that over there.
Oh yeah.
A nice little shot of the swamp.
This is crazy, man. You made it.
Oh boy, that's getting me worried back there, man.
Yeah, it's like a slide to nothing.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Drop?
Absolutely not.
Is that a drop?
That is a drop to the first floor. There's just there's no more floors in here.
Here, check this out. You want to get like nauseous?
Yep.
That was a long ass.
I'm out.
Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, definitely do not try this at home.
I mean, if you got a giant ass ladder at home, go for it by all means. But otherwise, I
Yeah.
recommend it.
So this is a little bit sketchy. We got some like ditched cars. Temporary registration permit. I am not touching these. Oh boy. Yeah, this has to be stolen. There's like baby stuff. Looks like they rummaged through it. They robbed the wheel. The wheels are off it.
Wheels are gone. That part's out of here. No brain. These wheels are still on though.
Oh yeah, that side is.
Wow.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
This is kept.
We got some stuff in here.
Wow.
Ooh, it reeks.
Yeah, doesn't smell too good.
Might be a mass spot. Oh, my goodness.
Don't smell too good, but
You're not gonna try to serve anything. Look. Bird dog stuff out.
Oh,
check this out. You can get a really cool shot in there.
oh, this was the office as well. The books on the shelf still. Oh man, look at this. Well, I think that's pretty much going to wrap this one up. Guys, if you like what you saw, drop a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Definitely check out the Steel City Storm Crew. I'm going to put all their links in the description to their YouTube. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Did a lot of race cars and semis and stuff.
No, you did a real good job with that color in there.
It
Wow.
looks great. Right there.
Looks good.
There it is.
Yeah.
Looks good. There you go,
Thank
Lord
you.
Explorer, man.